In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to screen capture and play videos in PowerPoint, whether you're a teacher, a business professional, or a student. Incorporating screen recordings into your presentations can significantly enhance the way you share information and engage your audience. Let's dive right into the process, step by step, so you can leverage these dynamic features in your PowerPoint presentations. First things first, you'll need to open PowerPoint on your computer. If it's already installed, you can find it by navigating through your programs or simply searching for it in your search bar. Opening PowerPoint is your gateway to creating a presentation that speaks volumes, literally and figuratively. Once you have PowerPoint up and running, proceed to open the presentation you'd like to enhance with a screen capture. Whether it's a new project or an existing presentation, having your file ready is crucial before you begin recording. Next, we'll want to head over to the Insert tab, which you'll find in the toolbar at the top of your screen. The Insert tab is where you can add various types of content such as text boxes, images and videos that make your presentation engaging. But today we're focusing on screen recordings. In the Insert ribbon you will see the screen recording option. Click on it and you will notice your display will shift slightly, offering some new options to tailor your screen capture experience. This feature is incredibly useful for capturing real-time demonstrations or walkthroughs that you'd like to include in your presentation. Once ready to begin capturing, simply select the area of your screen that you'd like to record. You should see an option to select an area, allowing for precision depending on what you want your audience to focus on. After that, hit the record button. A countdown will appear, giving you a few seconds to prepare before the recording starts, perfect for those final touches or deep breaths. After you've captured everything you need, it's time to stop the recording. You can do this by pressing Windows plus Shift plus Q on your keyboard. This combination is the quickest way to cease recording, ensuring you have captured everything you wanted without unnecessary footage. After stopping, your recorded video will automatically be inserted into your PowerPoint slide. From here, you can adjust the size, position, and even add playback options to mesh seamlessly with your presentation flow. And there you have it, a straightforward way to enhance your presentation through screen recording in PowerPoint. Remember, the more adept you become at integrating these tools, the more engaging and effective your presentations will be. Thanks for joining and happy presenting.